In this module, we're going to give you an overview of how to install the 8840 automation control. The key thing is a person familiar with your HVAC system needs to refer to the installation manual to both install the thermostat properly, but also more importantly to set it up properly. You're going to be installing a thermostat, so you're going to need thermostat wire, you're going to need drywall screws or some kind of anchors to attach it to the surface it's going to be attached to. You need a screwdriver, of course, but that's really about it. It's a pretty straightforward installation. The key is being familiar with the HVAC system. The first step in installing the 8840 is deciding where the user interface is going to be located. If we're going to use the temperature sensor and the relative humidity sensor built in to the user interface, we need to locate the 8840 user interface in the space and at a location that's going to give us a representative temperature and relative humidity. If we're going to use the remote sensors, then we can locate the thermostat either in the space or out of the space. The crucial thing when we're using support modules is those support modules need to be individually located at the appropriate places in the grow to give us the correct temperature and relative humidity. The 8840 has two pieces. Let's focus in on this piece. This is the equipment control module. So first we're going to take the cover off. This is where everything is going to be wired to. Here you're going to wire in either your heating system, your cooling system, your heat pump. Many types of mini splits can be wired in. The HVAC equipment can be single stage or multi-stage. So that's all going to wire in here. Then we have to wire from the equipment control module to the user interface. You've got 3 wires here. It's just a 3-wire connection, and those same 3 wires are located on the back of the user interface. If we're controlling a dehumidifier, you can see you have dedicated terminals here to wire your dehumidifier to. That again allows the 8840 to measure the relative humidity and make the dehumidifier turn on or turn off to maintain the relative humidity you need for your application. If you're using the part number 8082 temperature and relative humidity support modules, it's important that you use category 5 wire, or what we call Cat 5 wire. So now let's look at wiring up the 8082 support module. So we take the cover off the thermostat. This of course would be mounted on the wall, and we would have our 3 wires going through a hole in the wall running down to the equipment control module. On the left-hand side, you can see there are some additional terminals here. This is where you would wire the support module to. It's a 4-wire connection. We're going to use category 5 wire to connect from these terminals to the 8082 support module. The Cat 5 is used because that eliminates any chances of electromagnetic interference messing with the signal coming from the support modules.